Today I'm going to show you our maple floor plan. It is a 1-bed, 1-bath unit at 732 square feet. Building 28, 1782. Now right now deposit is half off, so it would be $250, $48 application fee. Now upon entry, you have your coat closet, full size washer and dryer, beautiful hardwood floor, AC and heater in unit, stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space, patio space for all your outdoor needs. We also have storage. This is the master bedroom. You have a heater, access to the patio, walk-in closet, as well as the restroom.